Hey, what's up folks? Matt Berry, and this is my friend, The Claw. Today, me and The Claw are going to finish cleaning all of this. We came in earlier, it was a lot thicker, it was a lot worse. This was extremely grown up. The whole job is to get this all the way to the little creek and then clean that as well. So, all right, here we go. All right. We got all the big stuff out of the way. I got a little corner right over there. And now we're gonna come through, finish cutting all this, clean all this out, and have it ready for them. Call this one done. All right, now we got most of this leveled out, cleaned up. A few more over there. We got a bunch of little stuff right here. So we're gonna roll it onto the trailer. And this bad boy is getting close. Said I was gonna do it. I did it. This one turned out way better than I thought. We were able to get up a lot of those big roots. We're still gonna go over all this. I don't know if they're gonna do a big chemical treatment to kill all this. But as you can see, the customer had just woods right here. And now they're gonna be able to open up, and they've got a creek down here. Yep, turned out good. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Hope y'all enjoyed.